Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Uniswap, a decentralized cryptocurrency exchange that enables users to trade various digital assets in a trustless and permissionless manner. First, you need to understand the key concepts behind Uniswap. Uniswap is a decentralized exchange, meaning it operates on a blockchain network and is not controlled by any central authority. It uses liquidity pools to facilitate trades, which are essentially pools of funds locked in a smart contract. To get started, you need to have a digital wallet that supports Ethereum, such as MetaMask, and some Ethereum in it to pay for transaction fees. You also need to have the digital asset you want to trade. Next, go to the Uniswap website and connect your wallet by clicking on the Connect Wallet button in the top right corner of the page. This will prompt you to select your wallet provider and authorize the connection. Once your wallet is connected, you can begin trading. To do this, select the token you want to trade and the token you want to receive. You can do this by using the drop-down menus at the top of the page. After selecting the tokens, enter the amount you want to trade and review the transaction details, including the price and any fees associated with the trade. If everything looks good, click the swap button to initiate the trade. Uniswap will then prompt you to confirm the transaction in your wallet. Review the details one more time and click Confirm to execute the trade. Some best practices to keep in mind when using Uniswap include being mindful of transaction fees, which can be high during times of congestion on the Ethereum network. You should also be aware of the risks associated with trading on a decentralized exchange, including the potential for smart contract bugs and market volatility. In addition, it is essential to only use reputable and well-established liquidity pools to minimize the risk of losing your funds. You should also keep your wallet and private keys secure to prevent unauthorized access to your assets. By following these steps and best practices, you can safely and effectively use Uniswap to trade your digital assets. Remember to always do your own research and stay up to date with the latest developments in the cryptocurrency space to ensure you are making informed decisions.